Good afternoon, Judy Allen here, aka Nana, or vice versa. But anyway, it's exciting. It's the start of the season, holiday season it is, and we're bringing to you the 12 days of Christmas. Yes, each day we will be making something that you can turn around and make as a gift and give to someone else. All right, so we are on day 1 of the 12 days of Christmas. Let's go down to the hands and get started. So today we're taking a simple notepad and we're going to turn it into a gift. So start off with, I've got a 4x6. This is real red paper, color. And all we're going to do is take it, let's see here. I'm going to use this here. This is an adhesive for projects. And it just holds really good because this is a notepad that we believe that somebody's going to be using however long it takes them to go through 150 sheets, right? So we want this to hold together through the holiday season. Oh, I'm going to have to change up just a second. That's all right. I'll just change the other paper for a second. Not sure what that happened, but all right. Main thing is we want to stay and stick with us through the gift giving, right? So this is a great gift to give to anyone. And you don't have to do it holidays. I'm doing it right now in holidays since we're doing the 12 days of Christmas. And I'll show you afterwards a couple of other ones that I've made as gifts. Can't tell you who it's for, but there's going to be several gifts this holiday season. What you're seeing. I'm just going to center this, put this on. And I'm going to come back with my thing right here. I'm not sure what I did to that, but I'm going to put this on here because this is going to get the most attention. And this is nothing more than the gingerbread and peppermint paper that we've pulled from. I've already stamped sending you peppermint kisses because that's the message I wanted to send on this particular one. It just depends who you're going to send it to because some of them I did messages and some of them, I think I did all messages on all the gifts I've done so far. Alright, and I've already pre-cut out of this paper some little peppermints of different colors and shapes. And so now all I'm going to do is pack them down. Like I said, this will hold it there really good. That's the main thing. You want to be able to gift wrap it or stick it in a stocking or something to give to somebody. And that's the main thing it's got to hold on to, and it will. And I'm just going to stick this one up here, give it some color. And I'm going to stick this one down here and give it some color down here. And there you go. I have now a nice little notepad to gift to someone. All right? So, just to show you 2 other examples that I've already done. Here's another one that I made here. And another that I've made here. And they're all just quick and simple. This is 4x6 paper. This here was just a size down paper to 3.5 by 5.5 with a 1 1/4 and 3 by 3/4 white here stamped and olive green and old olive, and then I sit up here and cut these out of the peppermint gingerbread paper, and there you go. You have a lovely gift. All right, with that, let's see, I can wait till the hand. All right, with that, that is day 1 of the 12 days of Christmas with a very cute gift idea that you can use, put in a stocking and give to someone, or just to make and give to them as well. All right, get ready for tomorrow for day 2. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and share us on Facebook and YouTube, and we would appreciate that. I look forward to tomorrow. Bye.